time. Like my screen record gets all messed up, but I think we're good to go. So I'll let you know kind of when we're starting, but I'm going to ask you like 3 quick questions and then that'll be it. Right before that, did you get in touch with the title company today? Did everything go through there? Okay.
Yeah, everything went through.
Okay, cool. You got paid?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yay.
Okay. Yeah. No, that's awesome. All right, cool. But all right, yeah, I'm just gonna ask you the 3 questions and then I'll let you go. Be on your merry way. Cool?
Okay.
All right, Jenna. Well, thank you very much for hopping on this for a moment. Just first question I got for you is how'd you hear about Sell House Ohio?
Actually, somebody I believe originally just like reached out to me. And at the time I wasn't really interested. But then as I was like thinking about just like my options with selling the house, and talked it over with my significant other, I was like, yeah, I think that we'll at least like check it out and just kind of see how it goes. So
Cool. And then what was your experience like working with us?
it was good. It was actually originally the person who we originally like had walked through the house had called us and said that there really wasn't anything that they thought that they could do for us. But which was fine, I was like, okay. But then somebody ended up reaching back out. So we were able to just kind of like work it out and, kind of like everybody wins, I guess.
Yeah, right. No, that's the end goal, right? So I'm glad we
Yeah.
can figure that out. And then last question for you is just what would you tell someone else who's looking to sell their house quickly and easily?
I think for anybody who, like I work, I have kids, I moved in with my boyfriend, so I'm kind of like maintaining this house too. So the like painting and all of those kind of like little things that I was like, I really just don't want to do this, like that my realtor was telling me that I would need to do to kind of like get it up to par. You know, I feel like it really just took a lot of that off my plate. Like, like they came in, took pictures, cleaned it up, like all that stuff. I didn't have to pay for any like closing costs or anything like that. So I just felt like it was like a easier way to kind of like get to the same, the same end. So
Cool. Well, hey, I really enjoyed working with you and I appreciate everything.
yeah, thank you so much.
All right, cool. I'll end the recording there. But seriously, no, I'm glad that we can all get this worked out, and I appreciate you just taking a minute to do this for me.
Yeah, no problem.
Cool. Well, glad you got paid, and glad we're good to roll. So
yeah. All right. Well, have a good rest of your day.
all right, thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye.